This tutorial will see how to do inheritance in Java. So we'll create a main class, then we'll create a subclasses, and we'll see how inheritance works in Java. So we'll have class product, okay. And in this class, we'll have a constructor that is public. So we'll have two variables here. First will be private int product name and private, not int, this will be string, and private int product price. Then we'll have a constructor public product, and it will accept string name comma int. No, we'll keep it double. The price will be double, so it will accept double price. Okay, and we'll have this dot. This also will keep as product name, we'll keep it same, and this will keep as product price. So will be product name and this dot product price equal to product price. Okay, now once we have this, we have a constructor. Now let's have a method that is public void display product info. Okay, so this will say system println. Okay, this will get the product name will be the name of the product, that is this dot product name plus and product price will be price. Okay, so this will be the the function in the product variable. Now let's create a class. So we'll have a product type as electronics. So this is a product that would extend the main product classes. Okay, so when the class extends the parent class, it automatically inherits the properties. So now what we would have is here, we would have we would keep this, we'll have another variable here. We would have private string product model. Okay, and again we would have a constructor here that is public electronics, and what parameters we would pass here? Product, this would be product name, then we would have product price, product size, in a product model. Okay, so here what we would do is we would pass the product name and product price to the super parent class. So we'll use super. So we need to pass it to the constructor of the parent class. So we use super keyword and we'll use product name, comma, product price. Okay. And we would keep this dot product model equal to product model. Okay, we would keep this. So we would save this, and then what we would do now is, since we have both of these, we would have a method here that would display. So now the method would override. So we need to use override annotation. So this method would override. So display product info. So I'll keep a display product info here back again. And this product method would be overridden. And what we'll do here is we'll just put here the model name product model. Okay, we'll remove this and we'll put the model name here. We'll just remove this code. The product model. Okay, and here what we would do is we now want to call the super model. So super dot display product info. So this would call the parent method. Okay, similarly we can make another class that we just copy the same class here and we make this as clothing, and it will be string we would have int size, private int size, product size. And similarly we'll have a constructor here that would take product name, product price, and product size. Okay, and we have a product size. The super would call the the parent controller, and here we would have product size equal to product size. Okay, and in the display info we would have super. This would be the same, but product, this would be product size here. And we'll put the variable down here. Okay, now what we will do is we will have a main class. So we'll use class product class. Okay, and here we'll have public static void main and string args. Okay, so we have this. So what we need to do now is okay, let's create an object of so we create an object of electronics, that is electronics e equal to new electronics, and in the constructor, if we notice, we pass 3 parameters that will be name. So in first parameter I'll pass laptop. In the second parameter I would pass the price, that would be 1000, and the third parameter I would pass the model, that would be string. So model would be 2024. Okay, so we created this. Now let's create another instance that would be of clothing c equal to new. What would clothing have? So clothing would have t-shirt. Okay, then the price would be 50, and what would be the size would be 10. Okay, Now what we would do, we would call the e dot display product info. So this would display the product info of the electronics, and c dot display. Okay, now let's run the file. So we can see that the method is overridden here, the parent method, based on the requirements of the subclasses or the derived classes. So let's run this. Okay, let's go to the git bash clear. So we'll say Java C, so we'll compile the code. So we are getting an error in unexpected identifier in the constructor. So we'll see where the error is coming. I did not specify the type here, so this will be string, this will be double, and this will be string back again. Okay, these are the types. And clothing will, this will be string, this will be double, and this will be int. So now we should get rid of those errors over there. So let's try to compile it back again. Okay, it got compiled. Now let's run the program, and we can see that the data is getting printed. So this is how inheritance works in Java. So hope you understood something in this video, and please do like this video.